our home a healthier world where we and our family pass most of our time. Traditional vacuum cleaners fail to capture all the fine particulate being vacuumed, with a certain percentage of particulate simply redistributed back into the room as fine dust settles back onto surfaces. This can also contribute to allergenic diseases and leaves the room with a musty smell. Using traditional vacuums requires additional dusting to remove the fine dust from surfaces. The solution to this problem of indoor pollution is the central vacuum system that efficiently and effectively removes all vacuumed air away and outside living and work areas, and as some clinical university studies can confirm, improving the quality of our lives. The vacuumed contaminated air is filtered through a special polyester filter before being exhausted. The Dizan central vacuum unit is installed far from the living rooms and connected by a rigid pipe network with inlet valves strategically placed inside the house. The system is installed in two phases. The first during the hardware construction of a new home or a renovation of existing home. The second is the installation of the central power unit and inlet valves. The light flexible hose is plugged into the wall or floor valve, and with a remote control on the handle, the central unit starts vacuuming with a powerful but silent flow. The Dizan range is ideal for any kind of construction, with easily concealed compact units available, also with enclosure for external balcony installation up to big industrial systems. The large variety of the inlet valve suits every architect and consumer taste. The flexible hose reaches every corner for a quick cleaning. The right brushes and other accessories are included in every cleaning set, making it extremely easy to clean all floor types, as well as cleaning all above floor surfaces. A Dizan system is about 3 times more powerful than a traditional portable vacuum and can save a lot of energy with its high-efficiency motors. You spend less time vacuuming, and the systems are virtually maintenance-free. A Dizan central vacuum can be amortized in a short time and represents a true investment for the air quality of your home.